In this video, you'll learn how to use npx Paperclipai Onboard. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get started with this tool effectively. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage by typing w.google.com into the address bar and pressing the Enter key. This action takes you to the main search page of Google, where you can search for various tools and resources. Next, in the Google search bar, type in Paperclip AI and press Enter. This will display a list of search results related to Paperclip AI. You should see various links and resources that pertain to this tool. After that, locate the link that mentions Paperclip AI in the search results. Click on this link to access the official Paperclip AI site. The page that loads will provide you with information about the platform and its features. Once the Paperclip AI page appears, look for a button or link that says Hire AI Employees, Set Goals, Automate Jobs. Click on this option to proceed to the next step in the onboarding process. This action will lead you to the main interface for managing AI tasks. Now, find the command line option that states npx Paperclipai Onboard-yes. Clicking on this will prepare the system for the next steps. Ensure you understand that this command is crucial for setting up the tool correctly. Next, move to your taskbar and click on the search icon. In the search field, type qwend to search for the command prompt application. This application allows you to execute commands directly on your system. After finding the command prompt in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This action is necessary because administrative privileges are required to perform the installation. Once the command prompt window opens, type in the command npx Paperclipai Onboard-yes and press Enter. This command initiates the onboarding process for Paperclip AI. When prompted, type Y and hit Enter to confirm the installation. This confirmation will allow the system to proceed with the necessary setup. Finally, wait for the installation process to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your system's speed and the current load on your internet connection. A progress indicator may appear showing the installation status. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.